This is to demonstrate how to use the pleat maker for your masks. It's in two parts. After you've got your mask made with the ties installed and it's ready to be pleated, take half of it, slide it underneath, just like that. Take anything flat, piece of cardboard or ruler, and then tuck the fabric into the ridges and kind of hold it in place. Takes a little bit of practice. And after you've got that tucked in, take the other half, put it on top, and slide it together. And that will hold your pleats in place like that. You pick up the whole thing, go to your sewing machine, lay your pleats down, that's one side done. Pick up the whole thing, spin it around. Reline your pleats. This is very handy because it eliminates any need to iron. It's an incredible time saver. And there you go. There's your completed mask with the pleats.